Kia ora koutou tawhakahua whānau, ko te rohoro e tēnei rā. Let's do the photos of the week. Okay, so the first photo this week was one that reminded me of when I was gardening up at a place in Crieff Street in 2015, and when I realised that no matter how black the clouds, the sun is always shining there above them. And then to finish the week this week, me and a mate from work helped out at this Snags for a Good Cause, and we were just on the barbecue, pumping out the sausages. They had a big sausage sizzle. The table of bread was just spectacular to behold. And the great thing was lots of people turned up and donated money for the cause, so it was really cool to be involved in. And then let me also just start off by saying congratulations to ETNZ, Team New Zealand, and Te Rehu Tai, a new class of boat, and we won the 36th edition of the America's Cup, which is really exciting. I've been an America's Cup fan for the longest time, since way back. And in this latest regatta, yeah, we were victorious in the end and retained the America's Cup. It stays in the trophy cabinet, which is really exciting. And what's really cool to see about these new boats, the AC75s, is how far they've come from the Black Magic days of those fully heeling monohulls in displacement mode. Now they're all falling monohulls, so it's pretty exciting. And then I spent a bit of the week taking photos of birds, because right outside the house there's this orchard, and every now and again you're just sitting here and you can hear the tui calls and that, so I run outside and take some photos of these tuis. And the great thing is now looking through the viewfinder, when you look at birds with colour, you can see the colour flash up on them, so you know when to take the shot. And this photo here is actually two photos which I merged, and it's of the same bird, just marching up the branch and dashing off into the bush. And then, hey, we scored some new road. So I was taking photos of tuis and then dashing outside and getting photos of the road workers. But yeah, it's always exciting to get a new road right outside your door. And then I was back to the birds, and this little bird here I've never seen here in Wellington before, neither has my grandma, she told me. It's a koromiko, or a bellbird, and I heard a really different, distinctive call one day, so I ran out, and it sort of flew off, but later that afternoon it came back, so I was pretty stoked to get these shots here. Just a cute little bird, and this is my best. This is the best shot I got of the koromiko that day, just sitting in the branch, calling away. And this photo here is just to illustrate, the great thing about shooting birds is trying to pull focus, because often they're in the middle of a tree and there's always branches and leaves, and it can be quite hard to get the focus. So this is not a good photo. It just demonstrates how you can pick the focus of the bird out through the middle of the trees. It's pretty cool fun. It just really helps to hone your skills, hone your ability to know what you're seeing through the viewfinder. And then it was to walk to work, and this is a new angle, believe it or not. And as many times as I've walked to work, I'm always looking for new angles, but this one across the bay, looking at the apartments over there, the Schaefer's apartments. And then some photos of the Cobar Cat, or the east to west ferry. The great thing about this particular morning was it was just so golden, like peachy golden, like not bright golden, peachy golden. And I like the way the hills, the terrain is sort of leading down towards the container ship there. Sunny, golden morning with the sun reflecting across the water. That little bit of texture in the water as the waves are coming through. And of course now the rowers are still out. But I tell you what, it's coming up to winter around here, so these guys and girls are not going to want to be out there too much longer. I love this photo here of the seagull and the sea lion. And that boat there, the sea lion, is like covered in paintings of seagulls. It's probably my favourite photo of the week, just because of the composition with the container ship in the background and the East by West ferry over there and the rowers and all that. And then I do love to take these shots here of people appreciating the harbour. And this one's really cool because I like the way the golden sun rays are bouncing off the girl's face and through the back of her hair and that sort of thing. And I'm just going to leave you with this last photo here. It's from Te Papa. Say no more. It says what it says. I don't know what line we're drawing or what line you might draw, but when you draw the line, that's the photos of the week. And thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time. Bye.